91025 Wilmette Home on Pine Street. Siemens electrical panel located in the basement. There's two air conditioning systems. One has a 50 amp breaker, I believe it's for the first floor. There's a 20 amp breaker for the room addition. The lower floor air conditioning unit is the one that's inoperable. It was recently replaced about 4 years ago. 16 by 25 by 1 media filter. I have the measurements for the evap coil. 17.5 inches wide, but it's transitioned to 16 at the top. I have the overall height. Should be able to get a case coil in here. 90% furnace PVC. Condensate pump is on the side. Checking the water heater. The water heater is actually past due. It's a 2011 40 gallon. Return trunk is a 10 by 25. There's an older bypass humidifier. Aprilaire. I have to go outside and check the air conditioning unit in the dark. The thermostat is not mounted properly upstairs. It's leaning. I already discussed it with the customer. Normal access to get the coil in, since they have a dog kennels down here. How you doing, buddy? And older Aprilaire, it looks like a 560 bypass. It has a saddle valve on the to the humidifier. I'll discuss with the customer about putting a new humidifier in here. We'll need to put an angle stop in here as well. I'm going to discuss with her about the water heater as well, due to the age.